In this video, I'll show you how to use contacts in JUMP to create and manage contact records, view meeting history, and prepare for upcoming conversations. JUMP lets you manage contacts directly inside the platform, whether or not you use a CRM. Each contact has a profile that brings together everything JUMP knows about that person, including meeting history, meeting prep, and related documents. If you connect to CRM, JUMP automatically matches contacts by email and combines the information into a single record.
First, click Contacts in the main navigation. Here you'll see your full contact list in alphabetical order. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find someone by name or email. Each contact card may also show badges for any connected CRM systems. From the contact card, you'll see all past meetings for this client, as well as be able to run pre-meeting prep, see the value that you're providing for this client, and signals. In the Past Meetings tab, you can filter out meetings by all past, AI processed, needs action, as well as any missed meetings or archived meetings. Let's say you just met someone in a meeting and want to add them to JUMP so you can easily find them later and review past conversations. You can create contacts manually or link them directly from meetings while reviewing participants. JUMP uses the email address to prevent duplicate contacts. If a contact with that email already exists, JUMP simply adds the new information to the existing profile. And if your account has it enabled, JUMP can automatically create contacts from meeting attendees. If you'd like to enable that for your account, you can reach out to JUMP support. Now, let's open the contact. As you can see, our new manually created contact has the same style of contact card as our previously created contacts. We can review CRM connections, look at past meetings, run pre-meeting prep, and more. You can also edit or delete the contact after it's been created. You can also create a contact manually via the Contacts page by clicking Create Contact. You'll enter the contact's name and email address and then click Create Contact. And that's how contacts work in JUMP. You can create contacts, review meeting history, and prepare for conversations, all from one place. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.